welcome to DK Custom Products' second public service announcement.
Yeah, everybody loves free stuff. We're going to tell you how to get free stuff and how to not complain when you don't get free stuff.
Right. So we have on the bottom of our homepage a sign-up page where you can sign up to be on our mailing list. And when you're on our mailing list, we send out 1 to 2 emails per week. The emails have announcements in them.
Mm-hmm.
They have tech tips in them. They have
discount codes
in them, specials in them. And like right now, if you're watching this video, by the time you're watching it,
too late.
It's too late. But right now, we're doing a special where if you order $50 or more, if you order more than $50 and 1 penny or more, we include a gift valued at $25 in the package at no cost to you. That's something that we've only let the people in the mailings know about.
And they just have to write in the order notes when placing the order at checkout, send me the free gift, and we'll send it. It's a Father's Day special, so as Kevin said, by the time you're watching this, Father's Day was a couple of weeks ago.
So, but what we get a lot of people who hear through the grapevine that this thing's going on or that thing's going on, but they placed the order 2 or 3 days ago, and they're going, oh, can I get the special?
Yeah.
The specials that we run 90% of the time are for the people who are on our mailing list.
Right.
And we don't put them on YouTube. We don't put them on the social media. We don't put them in the forums. It's for the people who are on our mailing list.
And we respect your time, and we respect the fact that you even open our email. So we try our best to include useful information, new product updates, new video updates, and overall make it worth your while to even open the email.
There's one other way that we really give a big discount to certain people, and that's with the DK Custom Club. We'll put a link to it right up here in the corner on how you can become a DK Custom Club member.
Yeah, Custom Club members get 10% off for an entire year on any purchases they make, and you get a lot of sneak peeks on upcoming products. A lot of news a lot of insider information that we don't share with just everyone.
Behind the scenes at DK.
Yeah. So we're going to put a link in the description below to sign up for our email updates.
Now you know how to not miss out on any specials. Y'all ride safe out there. So we're going to be having a video coming out soon on what to know when you go from 2 wheels to 3.
Yeah, it's a whole new world.
So look for that video coming soon. What's really interesting is today was your first time you've ridden a trike.
I've sold thousands of trike parts to thousands of people. That's the first time I've actually operated a trike, and it was an experience.